Hi guys, we are going to make a self-inflating balloon. And here's the recipe for it. So you're going to need vinegar, a water bottle, baking soda, a funnel, and a balloon. So we've already poured the vinegar in the bottle, so it's about halfway. Now he is going to put 2 teaspoons of baking soda in the balloon. Put it in the funnel over the balloon so it's easier. This would be a fun activity for y'all to do. And then nobody knows, this is my grandson, Aiden. I'm going to hold the bottle while he puts the balloon on top. Now he's going to pull it up and let the baking soda go down. Whoa. Look at it blow up that balloon. Isn't that cool? You got to hold on to the bottle though. All right, y'all. Y'all have fun with that one. Bye.